Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss our fifth lab program, that is Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. I have to clip my lines, right? So I'll read out the aim. Clip a line using Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. We have studied this algorithm in our theory part. We know the portion of the line that is outside the clipping window should be removed, and the portion that is inside the clipping window should be available in my output. Right, so in this algorithm, first step is I have to do inside outside test. Right, how to do this inside outside test? When the OR operation between two endpoint region codes for a line segment is false, then the line is inside the clipping region. We know in Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, I'll be using this region codes to clip the algorithm. So the region code inside my clipping window will be 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, and I'll be marking the top, bottom, left, right region codes, and I can find out the region code for top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. So totally I'll be having 9 region codes, and I have to find the endpoints of a line. And you know, to draw a line I need two endpoints, that is the starting vertex and the ending vertex, and I have to find this endpoints lies in which region code. Right, after finding this, I have to take the OR operation of the region codes of the two endpoints of my line. And if I get the answer as 0, 0, 0, 0, that shows my line is inside my clipping window. Right, so the OR operation between the endpoints for a line segment is false. That is, if I get 4 zeros, it shows the line is inside my clipping region, and you can understand the line should be made as visible. Suppose when I take AND operation between the endpoint region codes for a line segment is true, that is not 0, 0, 0, then the line is outside the clipping region, it should be clipped off. Right, calculate the region code of the endpoints of a line, take AND operation. If the result is not 4 zeros, right, that shows line is outside the clipping region and it should be clipped off. The third is lines that cannot be identified as being completely outside or not. That is, it will one endpoint of a line will be inside your clipping region, other endpoint is outside, or both the endpoints will be outside, but it will be intersecting with the clipping window boundaries. In that case, I have to find the intersecting point, right, and I should clipped off the portion that is outside my clipping region. So these I'll be doing in my code. So I'll start with my main program. Yeah. So initialize your glut, and your display mode is single buffer, and color system is RGB. Window position 0, 0. Window size is, I'll make the output window size as 500, 500, and create your window. Init, call your init function. In init function, since it is 2D, my viewing function will be glueortho 2D, and this is my xmin, xmax, ymin, ymax value. Right. Next, coming to this display callback function. Right, this display callback function will call your display, and here in the first step I'll be clearing my GL clear color will give you the background color, and GL clear will clear your color buffer, and GL color 3F is for your drawing color. It is RGB. You have made this R as 1, so you'll get your clipping window as red color window. Right, and my primitive I am using as GL line loop. Right, and I have to specify the 4 vertex of my clipping window. and in the beginning of your program, your clipping window, xmin, xmax, ymin, ymax value has been specified. Right, with those 4 values, I'll be marking the 4 vertex of my clipping window. You know how to mark this. Close your GL begin with GL end. Next, GL color 3F. I am specifying the color, and you have to draw your lines. So primitive is GL lines. For line, I need 2 endpoints, right? And line, I need 2 endpoints, and this is first line starting vertex, x naught, y naught. Second line starting vertex, and second line ending vertex, right? I have drawn my line also. Now in my display function, I am calling my line clip, right? So in line clip, I will be passing my first line. So first line means, since it is 2D line, it will have an x and y value. So starting vertex 2 values, ending vertex 2 values, totally 4 values I will be passing to my line clip function, right? So 60, 20, 60, 20, 80 and 120. So these values will be given to my line clip function. 60, 20, 80, 120, and here initially I am making this accept and done as false, right? So, and I have to compute the outcode for my first vertex. So first vertex, what is the value? 60, 20. For this 60, 20, I have to calculate the outcode. That is, I have to calculate the region code for my first endpoint of my line. So I'll be calling this compute outcode. So in compute outcode, what I am calculating? I am calculating the region code of the endpoint of a line. So here, what is my y max value? Y max, it is 100. It is given. Y max is 100 and x max is 100. Right? What is the y value? Y value, I am passing the line 60, passing the endpoint 60, 20. So 20 is my y value. 20, I'll check whether it is greater than 100. No. Then coming to this else if condition, 20, if it is less than y min. What is my y min? Y min is 50. Yes. Right. Now my code becomes bottom. Right. This value will be returned to my return and it will be stored in my outcode, right? Similarly, the next endpoint is 80, 120, right? For this x1, y1, next endpoint, that is line will have 2 vertex. The ending vertex will be 80, 120, and this 80, 120, using this 80, 120, I am calling this compute outcode. In compute outcode, now I am having 80, 120. Right? So take your y value, 120 is your y value, 120, check whether 120 is greater than y max is 100, now code becomes top, right? Code becomes top. And similarly, what is your x value? X value is 80, 80 whether it is greater than x max is 100, no. Then check the other condition, 80 whether it is less than x min is 50, no. So which return code will be returned? Code top will be returned, right? Now outcode 1 will be having your top, right? Now here in this line clip, what I'll be doing is like after calculating the region codes of the endpoints of my line, right, I have to take OR operation. As I told in the algorithm, take OR operation. If the answer is false, then it shows line is inside my clipping region. If the answer is not false, line is outside it, otherwise it is intersecting, right? Now here, right, take the OR operation of both the outcodes, right, negate it, and when you get So compute the outcode, right? Compute outcode for both the endpoints of my line. You'll get an answer, right? To this answer, I have to take OR operation. As I told in the algorithm, calculate the region code, take OR operation, and if the result is false, that is everything, if it is 0, line is inside your clipping window. If the answer is not 0, 0, 0, line is outside the clipping window, it should be clipped off. If not, it is intersecting with the boundary. Right, so here I am calculating the region code, and this region code is taken OR operation. I am taking OR operation of this region code, and if it is false, right, what I will be doing, I make the accept and done as true. Make this accept and done as true. If not, calculate AND operation and check whether the line is outside. Else part will be your intersecting point. You have to calculate the intersecting point. While calculating the intersecting point, as we have studied in our theory part, we know if your line is intersecting with the bottom boundary, x will be changing and y remains the same. So in that case, I have to take y as minimum y value. If your line is intersecting with the top boundary, x will be changing, y remains the same. So y value I have to take as maximum y value, right? So y value here I'll be, if it is top, y value I should take as maximum, and this formula we have studied in the theory part, same formula I am applying, and I will be calculating my x because x keeps on changing. Suppose if it is intersecting in the bottom boundary, y will be minimum. Calculate x. If it is intersecting, if your line is intersecting with the right boundary, right, y keeps on changing but x remains the same, x I should take as maximum value. If not, it is intersecting with your left boundary, calculate your y value and x should be minimum value. X should be minimum x value, right? So based upon this, I will be finding out my intersecting value, that is x and y. After this, I will check whether my outcode out is equal to outcode. Right? If both are equal, in this x naught and y naught, store the calculated x and y value and call this compute code once again. So here, what is our first endpoint? For the first line, the endpoint is 60, 20. So here, after calculating the intersecting point 60, 20, it is bottom boundary. Right. So x value I will be calculating, but y value I will get as minimum y value. Right. So y value here, y naught will be minimum y value, which is my 50, and this x, apply the formula and you will be getting your x value. Right. Now while calling this compute outcode, where is compute outcode? Here it is. Right. So in compute outcode, again I have to check this point. What is the region code of this intersecting point? Right. What is the region code of this intersecting point? What is my y value? Minimum y value, which is 50. 50, check whether it is greater than y max. No. Right. Else part 50, whether it is less than 50. No. Right. So here my code will be 0. So this code, it will be returned here, and now your outcode will be 0. Similarly, you have to do for the other endpoint, and you will get outcode 1. Calculate the outcode 0 and outcode 1. Then here in this if loop, take OR operation, and if it is true, make the accept true and done true. Right. So this do while loop will be repeated until, right, until your done is true. Right. Once this accept is true, I have to display my output. In my output, I should have my clipping window and I should have the portion of the line that is clipped in. The portion of the line that is inside the clipping window should be made as visible, right? So this is my clipping window. To draw my clipping window, and I have to draw my lines. What are the points? It is x0, y0 and x1, y1, what we have calculated in this line clip, right? Display it and flush it. So this is all about your algorithm. Now we can see how this gets executed. My fifth program. This is my program. Execute it. Right, this is my input. I have two lines in my program and this is the output. The portion of the line that is outside my clipping window should be clipped off. Hope you have understood. Thank you.